Ever struggled with converting speech to text accurately and quickly?
I used to spend hours manually transcribing interviews and meetings. Then I stumbled upon Unmixr AI on AppSumo one day. The human-like AI text-to-speech feature immediately caught my attention.
It promised seamless transcription, translation, and dubbing in one package. Unmixr AI transformed my workflow, saving me tons of time and effort.
Now I effortlessly convert speech to text with incredible accuracy. Unmixr AI is packed with cutting-edge features that include human-like AI text-to-speech. Experience the most realistic emotion-based AI text-to-speech with over 1,300 synthetic voices available in more than 150 languages. Multilingual voices. Choose from 60 plus ultra high quality AI voices, each capable of speaking 90 plus languages.
Voice cloning. Get your own personalized voice with voice cloning available in 13 languages.
Transcription. Effortlessly convert audios and videos into formatted text and transcripts. AI chatbot. Engage with a powerful AI chatbot that supports multi-modal conversations using GPT-4o, Gemini Pro, Claude 3.5, LLAMA3 and more.
Document translation. Break language barriers with seamless document translation capabilities. Human-assisted dubbing. Create high-quality dubbed content with ease.
AI image generator. Generate stunning visuals to complement your projects.
Writing templates. Access a variety of writing templates for any occasion.
AI writing editor. Enhance your writing with AI-assisted editing tools.
Live demo. Imagine how much more you could achieve with this powerful tool. Why struggle when Unmixr AI can simplify your tasks today?
Head over to AppSumo and grab the best deal for Unmixr AI. Don't miss out on revolutionizing your workflow with Unmixr AI.